Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
For the only way Leche Flan using egg yolks, gather 10 egg yolks, 1 14 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 12 evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla and set aside. Use 1/2 cup granulated sugar to make the caramel. Prepare a 9-inch round mold or 6 ramekins and preheat your water bath to simmering. Have a fine sieve and a ladle ready. Work cleanly. Separate yolks with no white, and gently warm the milk mixture before combining. Strain the custard through a fine sieve into a bowl before filling molds to ensure a silky texture. Start the caramel by placing 1/2 cup sugar in a heavy saucepan over medium heat. Do not stir vigorously, swirl the pan and gently tap the sides as crystals melt. Watch for an amber color, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove immediately to avoid burning. Carefully pour the caramel into a 9-inch mold or 6 ramekins, tilting each to coat the bottom and sides. Allow the caramel to harden briefly at room temperature, while you ladle the custard into the caramel-coated molds. Warm the evaporated milk and sweetened condensed milk together until just under simmering, then cool slightly. In a clean bowl, gently whisk 10 yolks with 1 teaspoon vanilla and slowly stream in the warmed milks to avoid froth. Strain and ladle into caramel-lined molds. Cover each mold with foil and place in a preheated oven set to 325 degrees F inside a water bath. Bake 45 to 60 minutes until the custard is set around the edges but still slightly jiggly in the center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.